Guys, it's DMAG-10 here, bringing you my kit video. So, starting out with my gun, I have a mag pull lower, Mark 18 rail, and an SMP installed. On the top, I got a replica aim point flip to side magnifier. I have no idea what kind of red dot, and a FMA PEC 16 with a mag pull stock. My plate carrier, I got a multicam Banshee plate carrier. I don't run anything on the front. I got two double stack M4s on the side, nothing on the right, and a multicam mini map on the back. I got my TM high kappa 4.3 and my Blackhawk Serpa holster on my belt, and that's about it. On the top, I got my FMA Maritime replica, Valken full seal glasses, and a standard lower mesh. I have USGI multicam pants and proper multicam. I said shirt. I meant to say shirt.
Alright, that's fine.
Alright. Yeah, USGI shirt and proper pants.